Okay, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the chapter Business Environment, and the topic is dimensions of business environment. Okay, so here dimensions means what are the factors constituting the business environment. So, in the previous class, we discussed on the features, the meaning, and importance, why to understand the business environment. So, the business environment knowledge, how it helps the business people or the owners, how to study it, what are the benefits. So all those things we discussed in the last class. Today we will discuss on the dimensions or the elements. What are the elements included in the business environment? I already told you business environment constitute some internal factors and some external factors. So internal factors are controllable factors, but external factors are non-controllable, not in our hand. So these dimensions we are generally explaining those external factors which are outside the control of the business. That is what we are going to discuss. Okay, so it generally include economic, social, technological, political, and legal conditions. So these are the dimensions of business environment. So we can say there are 5 dimensions of business environment. So which are in this diagram you can see economic environment, we can classify it, and social environment, technological environment, political environment, and legal environment. So these are the 5 categories of external environment. So already I told you, remember, these external environments are outside the control of business. Okay, so remember that means business cannot do anything to change that particular environment. Okay, so first one we will discuss economic environment. So economic environment means what are the factors involved in economic environment. So first we can say economic means in economic subjects itself, what are the things you study, that only. So economic means economy, economic system of our country. All these words when we hear, we will think about the domestic product, per capita income, demand, supply. All these things will come in our mind. Total financial system or monetary system of our country. So that only. So economic environment, how it affects the business organization. So here one factor is interest rates. So interest spelling wrong, interest rates. So when interest rates become low and a longer term, so suppose you think banks are giving you loans at a low rate of interest, so what will happen? People will be interested in taking loan, more people will come forward and they will take loans. So that how it will affect the business? So it will be beneficial for construction and automobile companies, because it results in increased spending by consumers by buying cars and home on borrowed money. So whenever interest rate become low, then the people's borrowing capacity will be high, and they will borrow more money from banks, and they will invest that money either to purchase cars, or for homes they may spend money for the construction of their own house and all. So like this long term, so long term repayment facilities, suppose the bank is allowing you, I have taken 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakhs rupees, the bank is giving me 10 years or 20 years to repay that amount, then of course I'll be interested in taking that or borrowing that money, because I'm getting longer repayment period. So interest rate have a very good influence on the economic environment of a business. So what will happen? The construction companies, automobile companies, their business will increase due to this low interest rate. Okay, next one is disposable income. So you know this already studied in economics subject. Disposable income, a rise in disposable income of people due to increase in gross domestic products results in increase in demand for products. So whenever income increase, So our purchasing habit, or when we have more income, we'll be purchasing more, so that ultimately lead to demand increase in demand. So next one is inflation rates. So if high inflation rates, inflation rates always reduce the purchasing power of business. So high inflation rates, what will happen, put constraints on business as it increases various cost. So whenever inflation is there in the economy, it increase the cost on business, such as the purchase of raw material or machinery. So whatever we have to purchase, all the products price automatically will increase due to the inflation rates. So these also have a direct influence on the business environment, but business cannot do anything on this automatically happens. Okay, so next is, so this only economic environment, I hope you understood. Now next one is, then before that, what are the things, other things we can say? So understood, no? Interest rate, then what, disposable income, then stock market conditions, other things also there in the textbook, you can just go through that. Service tax, tax related anything, suppose one, no, one situation they give and ask you which environment is indicated or which environment is explained in the paragraph. So you have to identify with these things only, the examples. If interest rate is described there, if the inflation rates, bank rates, or the tax rates, everything, if there's like that something is described in the paragraph, then you have to understand that they are saying about which environment, economic environment. Okay, next we'll go to social environment. Social environment, so of course social environment also a factor which affects the performance of the business. So customs and traditions, so what do you mean by customs and traditions? So we know in our society, especially in Indian culture, so many culture, traditions, religions are there. So it includes social practices that have lasted for decades or even centuries. So India, everywhere diversity is there, so many festivals, so many religions, so many traditions, customs people are following. So these also have an effect or influence on the business system in India. So why we are studying this, all these things a businessman should know, what are the changes can happen or influence the performance of a business. So first one, economic environment over, now social environment. So in social environment we can say celebration of festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Holi, etc. provide opportunity for greeting card companies, sweet outlet, textile business, etc. So social environment means according to the society's people behavior, the business world also will change. These are the festivals generally we celebrate in India. So some are worldwide also, Christmas and all, even all countries will celebrate. Okay, so during this season of these festivals and all, what will happen generally, the greeting card companies, their business will increase, they provide different categories of greeting cards to the people. So textile business, actually what they are doing there is they are creating a demand from the social influence of the or the behavior of the people. Okay, so so these are the things. Now values. So we know in our society people are holding certain values, or they are following their moral values with a very high esteem. So in India, individual freedom, social justice, equality of opportunities, and national integration are examples of values. So all of we have individual freedom. So when we make a purchase also, we need what, individual freedom in purchasing, then social justice, equality of opportunities, then national integration. So these are the values we are following. So how it will affect the business? So in business terms we can say, suppose we have the freedom of choice. Individual freedom means freedom of choice in market. Then business responsibility towards the society and non-discriminatory employment practices. So we all are expecting in business places or any organization we take there they should provide equal opportunities to both men and women. There should not be any discrimination amongst the men and women. That is called what? Freedom, equality, or social trends, various opportunities and threats to business enterprise. For example, we can say health and fitness trend. So here also social trends is the next point. So health and fitness trend become popular in urban area. Social trends, what society follows, that also the generation or whoever coming in that age, they will follow that. So what I was experiencing in my childhood, that is not available now, because the society social trends changed. So what you are experiencing today, that is the trend of today's society. So that may not be acceptable for me, so otherwise I have to accept it and continue with that. So you see, now people are very health conscious, and they are fitness, everybody wants to become very much healthy and all. So fitness centers in urban areas increase. Why? Mean before some 20 years back or 30 years back, there was no fitness centers, no beauty parlors, gyms and all. Or some 40 50 years back, we cannot even imagine like a water bottle or water also will be sold in the market. Like, so people even they couldn't imagine that type of situations and all. Then food supplements and all. Okay, so don't eat food, you can take supplements for that. So society strength, these are the trends in society. So people business world also changed according to the trends in the society. So if one business or industry, they are not taking care of these changes, obviously they will be outdated, and they will be out of the market also. So what we are studying here is, these are the changes that can be there in the society or social environment. These are the factors: custom, traditions, values, social trends. So all these things also we have to take it into consideration when we study about business environment. Okay, so unknowingness of these factors may lead to the failure of our business. So we should be aware of all these factors. Understood? Okay, now next is technological environment. So technological environment, as the name says, the technological improvement in all over the world, what we are doing today. So of course, what how I said, in social environment some 30 years back, 20 years back, we couldn't even imagine about taking classes through online, sitting at home and studying, or video conferencing, or conducting online test and all. Okay, so many things, technological advancement in the field of any field you take, in the health field or the education field, agriculture field, or education, sorry, business world, everywhere, any field you take, everywhere technological changes has come, and a drastic change happened in this field also. So all companies, all business should aware about that. So it includes forces related with scientific improvement and innovations, which provide new ways of producing goods and services, and new methods and techniques of operating business. Suppose if a business is following old method, traditional methods and all, they are not using any advanced technology, then of course they will be out of the market only, because other companies are there, they are using that. So obviously all these companies are forced to use all these new technologies for the growth and improvement of their business. Then computer technology example, we can say computer technology, in for example, my time and my when I was in college, mobile phone was not there. So maybe there with some rich people and all, but I was not using that, and it was not available also. Okay, then later only telephone was there. Later only these mobile phones invented. That also first mobile set and all, how it was. Now it is changed into like in a mini computer we can carry in our hand, in small, with the help of a small mobile we can do all the works of our whatever needed work and all there, that we can do. Okay, then technological advances in computers and electronics have modified the ways of doing business itself. Okay, so many drastic changes has happened with the invention of technology. Now for example, in your textbook also so many examples are given. I have not included all those things. Okay, you can read that. Now CD-ROMs were there, now it is replaced by what, chips and all. Now pen drives, everything we can use. Then internet, world wide web, multimedias, then but online business also, you see, before without seeing the shop owner or like that and all business, no, drastic change happened in the business world. Okay, so robotics, biotechnology, food preservatives, medicine, telecommunication, so all these things are included here. So everywhere, any field you take, you can see a very good change in the technological environment. Okay, first typewriter was there, now typewriter nobody is using, so it is replaced by computer. Computer also every 3 or 2 years new versions are coming. Understood, no? So this technological environment also a business should be very much aware about that. So anything about technological, if they include in the question, you have to understand that this is from technological environment. Okay, now a technological environment, one example is there. So this example is given in your textbook also. This is what Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. Okay, so IRCTC through website and all, we are directly booking our train ticket and all. We can go anywhere we want, train ticket, flight ticket, anything you can do. So that is an example for technological changes. So railway is using that method, otherwise all people will be standing in queue in front of the counter, and it will create other problems and issues also, because population also increasing and people are inventing like these new methods and technologies. Okay, now next is legal environment. So legal environment means, it is related to laws, rules, regulations. So government sometimes issue some orders. Then court judgments, court also give some orders, or plastic is banned. That is what, which environment? Legal environment. So we can say any order passed by the government, or any court judgment, or any decisions involved by various commissions and agencies at every level of government. Suppose district collector, or the collector, or deputy collector, or any other municipal chairman, okay, mayor, or panchayat president, like that people are there in each head of our what, decentralized democratic system. So in this any order passed by these people, or government, or court, we can include that in what, legal environment. Actually, whenever they give any order or rules or policy or regulation like this, obviously business has to follow that orders. Understood? So in this situation also, you can connect with that. Now all business stop, government strictly ordered the people to shut down their business, so they have to obey that order, otherwise they will it will leads to severe penalties and all. So always legal environment strictly we have to follow. It is not like other environment also, because this is related to rules, laws and regulations of the government. So if you are not following it, it will lead to penalties and all. Understood? So legal problems it will create. So adequate knowledge of rules and regulation is a prerequisite for better business performance. So here also R you make. Okay, then if we are not following, non-compliance means if you are not following the rules and regulations, then it will lead to legal problems. Okay, then other so many acts are there before political environment. In legal environment, I'll tell you, Companies Act, 1956 Companies Act, then 2013 Amendment Act, 14 also Amendment Acts, then Foreign Exchange Management Act, Import Export Act 1947, Factories Act is there 1948, Trade Union Act is there 1926, Workmen's Compensation Act 1923, Industrial Disputes Act 1947, Consumer Protection Act 1986, Competition Act 2002. So many rules or acts are there to control the in the business world. These all acts are passed only for the business purpose or for industries in India. Understood? So don't think business means they are just doing their business. Like, no, they have to follow all the rules, regulations, and everything passed by the government. That's why partnership also we are following partnership act, because that's why each rules and regulation, how they, each item, how to treat it, in that way only we have to do the treatment there. Understood? So act is for following that act, and we have to obey that, otherwise it will leads to penalty. Then suppose example we can say alcoholic beverages advertisement is prohibited, means we should not give that. Then what cigarette smoking is injurious to health, that should be there in the product, that is a legal statutory warning. So this is coming under which environment? Legal environment. So questions can come in this way by giving some example. Cigarette is injurious to health is not labeled, then which environment, or it is coming under which environment? So legal environment is the answer. Understood? Then products information should be there. All products should contain adequate labeling, and the product contains ingredients, everything should be there, expiry date. So all these things are coming under legal environment. Understood? No? Now next one, political environment. So political environment means, general stability and peace in the country. So we know politics or political system in our country, so that is the general stability and peace in the country. So how we are peacefully living, that is based on the political environments. Okay. So when we compare to other uh, like Jammu, Kashmir and all, so we can say our in Goa the political stability is more stable than Jammu and Kashmir, or in Pakistan, in if you take any other country like. Understood? So political stability builds up confidence in the mind of the business to invest in long-term projects for growth of the economy. So political environment. Now you see the present situation, the all business will people will be very scared, or they have a fear in their mind whether to invest more or not. Okay. So now what is happening because of this is affecting our economic system and all the industries also. Okay. Now if political stability is there, then only people will be interested in investing in the projects for the, and that will ultimately lead to, when business grows, indirectly our economic system will grow. Next point we can see in political environment, attitude of government officials towards business. So how a government is seeing a business, particular business or all business in India, how the government is approaching, or yes, government's approach towards a particular industry, suppose textile industry, and steel industry, cement industries. So many industries are there. So how the government is approaching it, how much help the government is doing for them, that and all also very important in political environment. So government may have a positive attitude or a negative attitude a business. Sometimes complaints comes like government neglected the area of what iron and steel industry, then that means what that is a negative approach from the government. So whenever a positive attitude is there from the government, that business, of course that industry will perish, and it will, it will grow. Understood? So government's support we need. So the political environment, these are the examples we can see. This is there in your textbook. The constitution of the country, prevailing political system, how the constitution is, what are the freedom or responsibility duties allowed in the constitution. Also we can take prevailing political system, the degree of politicization of business and economic issues, dominant ideologies and values of major political parties, the nature and profile of political leadership and thinking of political personalities. Yes, of course, whenever there is a change in political party or political leaders, or when Congress lead, when BJP lead, there is a difference. Then the level of political morality, political institution like the government and allied agencies, political ideology and practices of the ruling party, the extent and nature of government intervention in business, the nature of relationship of our country with the foreign countries. Yes, of course. So our country and with other countries, of course, after Prime Minister Modi become the prime minister, no, he visited almost all countries. Some have a opposite, matlab, no, they have a very negative matlab, negative opinion also there about that. But of course, it's a good thing that we can have a good relationship with the other countries. That also a good thing. Understood? So these are the things, general things in political environment. So whenever constitution, political system, and political morality, government agencies, political ideology, about these anything is explained, that you have to understand that this is from what political environment. So these are the things, five dimensions of business environment. I hope you understood. So this is business environment. Actually, it's very small chapter. Also, the contents also, no, it is like a general study only. So you can read it and understand it. Okay. So I hope you understood. Any doubt you can ask me. Okay. This much only for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.